Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, we're going to go over how to earn $1,000 or more per day using Google search. Let's jump right in. So what is the concept with this method? We want to leverage the power of one of the most powerful sites on the internet to get our affiliate links on the first page of Google. And the steps for this method today, we're going to find a product to sell. We're going to find a low competition keyword. We're going to create content around that. And then we're going to post it. Pretty simple, four main steps. But it's important to know, okay, when I show you the site, that you don't spam this site. Looking at some of the people posting on the site, you can see that there are some spammers, and they're not, when you look at their article and see if it's ranking anywhere, it's not ranking. You need to put the time into creating good content, taking this business serious, and then you will get results, but don't spam the site or you won't get any results. So if you take your time to create a good post and post only quality content, then you will get results. So let me show you. All right, so what you want to do first is we are going to go over to ClickBank. And once you get into your ClickBank account, you're going to go up here and go to Marketplace. Once you're on Marketplace, there is you can search down here by category. You can click on any of the major categories. Another cool tip is that you can actually just come in here and click the search button without searching any keywords, and it's going to pull the most popular products listed out of thousands of products. The ones that sell the most, that have the highest gravity. Look at all these gravity scores over 500 here. That's a health and fitness product. This one right here, health and fitness research, the Godzilla of offers. Let's see what this is. It says the gravity is 816, which is just off the charts. Looks like you make a 72% sale. So you get about $70 if you make a sale on this. So I wonder what this looks like. So let's click on it real quick and what kind of product it actually is. So it looks like it's a high quality landing page. Those, that's obviously converting well. Then you can go over to the affiliates page and the JV page and see some more information. You can create your hop link and all that. And come back. So that's a good way to research. But then you can come down here, and then we're just going to go down here and go to health and fitness, and I'm going to click on health and fitness, go to the top, and just to see, it is in fact a weight loss product. So we're going to go with this one, right? So all you do is click on the promote button, and you're going to have your hop link, and you can type in tracking right here, and then you can just push generate hop links, and then you'd push copy, and here's your link. We're going to use that later. So then our next step, we need to do some research, right, on losing weight. So we head over to this website, neilpatel.com/ubersuggest. You can go to Ubersuggest and you can sign in with your Google account. And you can just start by typing in a keyword right here, like how to lose weight fast, and then push enter. And then the tool is going to do some stuff for us. It's going to come on in here, and it's going to give you some pretty cool, powerful information that you normally have to pay quite a bit of money for, with like Ahrefs or Moz or Majestic tools that are those high dollar monthly SEO tools. Well, this one, he's giving you a lot for free, which is, they do have a paid version as well, but they give you a lot to get started, which is great. So we type in kind of a long tail keyword, which is five words. It is a pretty difficult keyword, so we wouldn't want to just right off the bat go for how to lose weight fast, but we want to find even more keywords, right? So you can come down here and you can see some other main suggestions that it's suggesting, right? And of course, what stands out to you? Well, these green keywords over here means that there's less competition. There's still going to be powerful URLs showing up for those. It can be a little deceiving. These, even though they are green, you got to be careful and kind of use a little bit of your own judgment and common sense. Some of these still are going to be hard to rank for, especially in how to lose weight niche. But nonetheless, it is a good indicator overall about the competition. So you can come down here and you can click view all keywords, and it's going to show you some even more keywords. It's going to pop up even more. So there is, obviously when you scroll down here, you get all these different keywords here. Now it does give you the keywords, and what you can do is, if you want to, how to lose weight fast by swimming, you could just look at that one real quick, and you could open up maybe another tab and do a search on it. And then it will give you more information, and it'll give you the competition score, but it'll also give you the volume. So we know that this one's just not really going to bring enough. It's not really worth the trouble for it, right? But it just, even though you don't get this data here, you can take these and do a search. But most of these are really long tail keywords, so there's not going to be a whole lot of volume. So if we go back to the top real quick, and you can see all these green keywords here, which is what we're looking for, right? And we're looking for, and it sorts it by search volume. So you can find one that has over 10,000 search results. But if we went with this one, it's in green, and it has 3,600 search results, or 3,600 searches a month. How to lose weight fast, exercise. So we could just go with that keyword, right? And you can see over here what is ranking, and you can just kind of see what kind of sites that you would be competing with, along with their domain score and the social shares and links. So you can see that even though this is 19, there's probably, these sites are probably not optimized for this keyword in their title, but these are some very authoritative websites. And so just keep that in mind when finding your keyword. A lot of these keywords, they're going to have, higher authority sites, but then look, no backlinks at all. And then there's a YouTube video here. So this is a good keyword, how to lose weight fast by exercising. If they're ranking a YouTube video and some of these sites that, you haven't really heard of before, then that means that you have a good chance of ranking for this keyword using the power of a site I'm fixing to show you. So you could actually create the content and create a really good YouTube video, and then also post it on this website. And you could potentially get 2 spots in the top 10. So this is a good keyword. So how to lose weight fast by exercising. And so I'm going to show you the site that we want to utilize and use the power of this site to get traffic to our affiliate link. So it's medium.com. You've probably heard of medium.com, and it's kind of like today's Huffington Post. It's a news site, and what's cool about it is that they let their users publish stories, what are called stories. So you go to Medium, and just to show you how powerful this website is, you can go over this site called simularweb.com. You can throw in medium.com and do a quick search, and so then after you put in medium.com, it will bring back in the world. This is the 244th largest site, or most trafficked or highest search volume site in the world. And then in the United States, it's ranked number 206, and it's just a huge site. And look, total visits, 210.9 million, almost 211 million people coming to this website every month. And you can see all the traffic. Almost 30% of it is coming from the United States, has really high quality traffic, United Kingdom, Canada. So a very, very powerful website, a good chance to rank. And what you would do is come over here and you just click on your profile and then say new story. And right here, you can actually put in your article. So you could, we go back to the keyword that we selected, which is here, how to lose weight fast. We're going to get an article written for us. You can come back over here, put that as your title, right? Fix it up and make it look good. You might want to even go for 2 keywords in this. Another something else that might make sense as well. And then we need some content. We're going to put our link in here as well. So you can do 2 things. You can write the content yourself if you're a pretty good writer, or find an article and rewrite it and spend the time. That might take you an hour to do. Now, I recommend going no less than 1,000 words on this, or because Google really likes long form content. And long form content really is now, 2,000 words or more. So I really recommend going 2,000 words, maybe even 1,500 at the minimum. So if you don't like to write, I don't like to write, I'd rather hire someone to do it. So you can actually go to a place called Fiverr, and I typed in Medium writer, so someone that specifically is writing for the platform Medium. And then I went to budget and I put $10 in and I pushed apply. There's actually a handful of people that will create an article for you for pretty cheap. And there's one that actually has some reviews. So this guy will do a 500-word article for you, depending on the competition of the keyword. And they'll do 1,000 words for 20, and they will do even more stuff here, more focus words and stuff like that. So you can do that, or you could even just come up to, you could type in writer or, 2,000-word article, put that in and see what pops up in Fiverr. I will write a perfect 2,000-word article for you. They have 8 reviews, 5 stars. You can just keep going through here. You're going to find plenty of people that do this. And right here for $10, someone will do all the writing for you. For $10, you can have a 2,000-word article. They will do 4,000 words for 20. So this looks like a really good gig. And 3,000 if you really want to rank. Then, obviously the more words you go, the higher chance you have of ranking. And look, they have orders and everything. So you get your content back and go over here, and you're going to post your article here, and you can, another sentence, more content, right? And you can add different, images, videos, things like that. So really, and then what you want to do is you want to take this, you want to go back to ClickBank, you want to take our hop link that we created earlier, right? And then you could just put in Medium as your tracking link, because we're putting this on Medium. You're going to copy that, go back over to Medium, and then once you highlight this, you're going to just make it a link, put in your hop link here, push enter. So now it's an affiliate link. We're going to publish this article on Medium, a really high quality, long form content, and you're going to have a really good chance to rank for this. And one more thing that you want to do is you do want to do an affiliate disclaimer. And I recommend do this twice at least on the page. So after your first paragraph or so, just do a quick affiliate disclaimer, and you can look up a good way to do that. But just saying that the article may carry some affiliate links, and then put it at the bottom as well. So you're following Google's terms of service on making the reader aware that there are some affiliate links, and you may gain a commission if they click and buy on any of the links. So yeah, that's the method. You can certainly rank these pages on Medium. And another thing you might want to do is take the keyword and search Medium to make sure that there's no other content that other people haven't done that exact keyword, because you don't want to do one that, it's spammed, or 20 other people have done the keyword, because then it's just not going to rank. Google's not going to pick up the article because the site has too much duplicate content on it. So do your due diligence on that. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you next time.